Hello everybody, today in this video I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial about how to fix all DLL errors that facing you while you wanna open a game or program such as a Cheat Engine or Squalor or Counter-Strike or any game. So the thing is that the DLL the missing DLL is not located in your Windows, is not located on System 32 and sys WOW 64. So the thing that you wanna do is, when the dialog of error appears and there is a DLL missing, the thing that you should do is go to your browser, then search for DLL files, then click OK. Then go to the first site in the search bar, the search results. So click here. The thing that you want to do is copy the name of the missing DLL in your case. For example, let me say my missing DLL is D3 DX 9, not 0. Okay, then search DLL file. After that you will find a bunch of DLL files. Choose the one. Every DLL is with a number, so it's important to check the number that behind the DLL. So let's say in my case I have DLL 38. Here we go. Here it is, 38. Then make sure that the architecture of your PC is 32 or 64. Let's check our PC architecture. Go to computer, then right click, click on properties, then system type. In my case I have 64-bit operating system, so I should download 64-bit. If you have 32, download 32. So click download. In my case I already downloaded, so I don't need to download it again. So go to the download section, compressed, click right click, then click on extract here. In my case I already extracted, so I don't need to repeat this method. So repeat this step. So here is our DLL. So right click on it, click on copy, then go to local disk C, Windows, go to Windows, scroll down till you find System 32 and sys wall 64. I don't know how to say it. So double click here, then right click, paste it, copy and replace. Click on this, then go back here, paste, then copy and replace. And yeah, as you see, if you open your program or your game that facing that DLL missing, it will work, like it's guaranteed, you know. So yeah, that was our tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I was helpful for you. So see you in another video, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. That motivate me a lot to upload more videos.